7 AI apps have saved me hundreds of dollars a month, and I almost didn't believe it until I added up the receipts. The best AI apps save or earn more than they cost. Most have free tiers. You can start without spending anything. Track your savings for 1 month. You will be shocked. Trim. AI negotiates lower bills on your behalf. Cable, phone, insurance. Rocket Money finds and cancels subscriptions you forgot about. Honey/Capital One Shopping. AI finds coupon codes automatically at checkout. Acorns rounds up purchases and invests spare change automatically. Ibotta. AI matches grocery purchases to cashback offers, average/month. Keeper. AI scans transactions for deductible business expenses. TurboTax/Free Tax USA. AI guides you through every possible deduction. Combined savings potential -500/month for most households. Get my free money-saving app checklist at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.